You guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gabriel Entertainment. Now let us start learning the dance. Leg forward first, okay? Left leg forward, right leg forward, right side out, left side back, forward back, forward back. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do all the steps together. From left leg, okay? Left leg, right leg, right roll, left stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you got it. Now let's do the next step. Now let's do the next step. 1 and 2. No. 0 is your right leg, 1 is your left leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. End with your right leg, okay? Now your right hand 3 times up. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, now let's do again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Jump. Then you do 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Jump back. Okay. Now let us do the next step. Okay. Left leg forward, right leg forward, right tap, right tap, right leg forward, left leg forward. Okay. Right side jump, left side jump, right leg back. Then you go left leg forward, right leg forward. Okay. Then 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Watch your legs. Your heel should be inside. 1 is out. Watch again. 1 is out. 2 is out. 3 is out. 4 is out. That's your left leg. And right hand 1. Left hand 2. Put the hands up and drop. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Okay. Now let us do the right side. Right leg. 1 out. 2 out. Up out. Down out. Okay. Now keep your right leg back and turn and say go. Okay, hope you got it.